Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by signing into your Adobe account because cancellations must be made from the account owner. Once signed in, make sure you can see the active plan name and the payment method. This prevents confusion later. Next, navigate to the Plans section. This is the first actionable step. It's where Adobe lists your subscriptions and renewal dates. Do this now so you're ready for the Manage Plan options in the next step without interrupting the flow. Once in Plans, click Manage Plan to view cancellation options. You'll be prompted to choose a reason. Adobe uses that to show retention offers. Decide quickly if you want to accept a discount versus proceeding. Make sure to read the refund and early termination fee info. Some annual plans charge a cancellation fee, while monthly plans usually stop next billing cycle. After selecting Cancel Plan, follow each on-screen prompt to confirm your decision and submit the cancellation request to Adobe. You finish by checking email for the cancellation confirmation and a reference number. Keep that for records. Then verify your bank or card statement to confirm the final charge and the effective cancellation date. If you want, uninstall the Photoshop app after confirmation to free space. If the cancellation doesn't appear, clear browser cache or try a different browser. If problems persist, contact Adobe support with the confirmation number to resolve billing or account issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.